Okay, so this video is going to explain how do you basically update the status of various leads. So basically you need to go to leads.glenindia.com/scp and you're going to be taken to the login screen. I am using the login of Manoj Chaudhary, and so I logged in. After logging in, I am taken to a screen which actually shows me all the open tickets. However, if I just need to work on the leads that have been assigned to me, I will click on the My Leads option here. So these are the leads that have been assigned specifically to me. Now after I click on My Leads, I am shown all the leads that have been assigned to me. This is the lead number. This basically is a snapshot. If I just hover over this, it shows me a snapshot of this particular lead. This was created and this was due in 48 hours basically, which shows here, and it was assigned to, it was from this particular customer called Rupesh, and this is Mr. Rupesh's email. Now if I need to see the details of this ticket and to respond to this ticket, I will click on the subject link here. After clicking on the subject link, I am taken to the details page of this particular ticket. Now this is the summary of that particular ticket. This is the customer. This section shows the details of the customer, the username, the email, the phone number 9849796906, and this shows the particular product in which he was interested. So it says that okay, he was interested in the Glen chimney suction of 1000 meter cube per hour, price range is 8 to 25,000, and from Hyderabad. Now this lead was assigned to Manoj on 12th of October by the Glen admin. Now in case let's say now Manoj would like to work on this lead, so after working on this lead, he'll keep posting his responses here. And so for example, if he worked on the lead, called the customer, had an update, so whatever status you need to put in over here. Now this lead can then after let's say 1 or 2 days, or maybe after following up with the customer, this can take various statuses. The various statuses are listed here. As you can see, the statuses are open, resolved, closed, follow-up, feedback, service, junk. Maybe I'm not very sure if you're going to see the others, which is not interested, and there's another one called demo here. So in case let's say you talk to the customer and the customer says that okay, please call me on so and so date and so and so time, you would click on follow up here. So you would put in the time and the date. So you select date. So let's say you call the customer on the 12th and the customer says okay, call me after 2 days. So you put in the date as 14th October, and at let's say if the customer says call me at 10 a.m. so you would then select the time as 10 a.m. follow-up time. So you just select 10 a.m. over here and say you just put in whatever that customer has asked to follow up on so and so date, and you just put a reply. Now what this follow-up is going to basically do is that on 14th early morning, which is midnight actually, early morning midnight, so 14th midnight, you're going to get an email to your email address listing down all the leads that you have to follow up on the 14th of October. So basically, if you have to follow up 10 different leads on 14th of October, all the leads are going to be summarized there. So you know well in time that you have to call up so and so customers on so and so date and time basically. This will also be sent to your team leader. So just in case let's say you are on leave or something, your team leader will also have that email, so that in case you are not there, you're on leave, it can then be assigned to somebody else who needs to follow up with the customer on that particular date and time. Now in case you feel that this particular lead is not directly related to you, you can also reassign this lead by clicking the reassign lead here and assign it to any particular individual in your team as shown over here. You put in your comment and simply say reassign, so then this would then start showing up in the My Leads section of that particular user. So all in all, this explains how do you use the system. In case you have any specific questions or queries, please do get in touch with us. Thank you.